Christy, you came in at 9.19 seconds, which is closer to 9 seconds than Cliff's score. So Cliff, step down. You've been eliminated. Christy, you're the score to beat. Tommy, when you're ready, make your way down the rapids.
Yeah, Tommy.
Ooh.
Nice.
Tommy, you came in at 8.90 seconds.
Right?
Wow.
You take the lead.
Yes!
Christy, step down.
Get down! No!
Birthday boy, step up. Nicole is the next to go. Nicole, when you're ready,
Come on, Nog.
make your way down the rapids.
Come on, Nicole. Come on, Nicole. Woo.
Sorry, Nicole, you came in at 10.20 seconds, which is not closer to 9 seconds than Tommy's score. Step down, you've been eliminated. Mickey, get yourself situated. And when you are ready, Mickey, go ahead and make your way down the rapids.
Making my way.
Yeah, Mick.
Mickey, you came in at 9.39 seconds, which is not closer to 9 seconds than Tommy's score. Step down, you've been eliminated. Catherine, when you are situated, please make your way down the rapids.
Just so y'all know, I have no idea what I'm doing in this.
Shut up, Brett, while you go down.
Oh, shut up, Brett. Oh, it's already not good. It's already not good. Or is it good? I don't know. Hold on. Is it good? Ah. Hold on. Oh, wait, hold on. You're good. Ah, man, dang it. Okay, well.
You were right, it was not good, Catherine. You came in at 11.29 seconds, but you tried.
I tried. Or I kind of did. I don't know.
Tommy is still leading here. Annalise, when you get situated, please make your way down the rapids.
Yes, sis. Slow.
Come on, sis!
Oh, girl!
So close. Annalise, you came in at 9.14 seconds, which is not closer to 9 seconds than Tommy's score, but nice try.
So close, baby.
Okay, Holly, as soon as you are situated, go ahead and make your way down the rapids.
Yeah, Hall.
Yes, Holly.
Holly, what the heck? All right, you're good. It's all right. Oh, wait. Oh. Okay.
Sorry, Holly, you came in at 10.07 seconds,
Trying to be unique.
which is not closer to 9 seconds than Tommy's score. So it is down to Tommy and Nick.
Wow.
One of you is about to become the new head of household.
HOH room tonight? Yeah, all right, bet.
Nick, when you're ready, make your way down the rapids.
Oh, I might win. It's all you, baby. Tommy
Sorry, Nick, you did not win, but congratulations to the birthday boy, Tommy.